Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be making a vanilla cake. Firstly, sift a cup and a half of sugar and then add 250 grams of butter and then mix that together. After that, add 3 eggs and then mix until your mixture becomes smooth. If you have an electric mixer, please use that because it's very much giving your cake is going to come out light and fluffy. Add a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then after that you're going to be sifting 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You could also use self-rising flour. After that, add 3 tablespoons of baking powder. If you're using self-rising flour, only use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. When your mixture becomes dry, add in some milk, and then after that add a quarter cup of oil and then mix that together. In a pan, add some butter, and then after that add a little bit of flour. Then you add your mixture. Bake at 180 degrees until the cake is ready. Like when you prick it with a toothpick, it must be dry.